In the heart of a home, a room basks in the soft glow of a fireplace. Shadows play on the walls, creating a tapestry of dancing silhouettes. Family photos smile from their frames, and a comfortable armchair nestles near the warmth, inviting tales to be told and memories to be shared. Transition from the cozy room, and suddenly you're amidst the vibrant streets of India. A symphony of colours, sounds and smells. The hustle and bustle of the marketplace buzzes in your ears, a cacophony of haggling voices, tinkling bells, and the rhythmic patter of footsteps. The air is thick with the rich aroma of spices and street food, a tantalizing cocktail that tickles your senses and stirs your appetite. People move around in a kaleidoscope of colors, their attire adding to the vibrancy, reflecting the diversity and dynamism of the culture. The streets, alive with activity, are a testament to the spirit of India, offering a stark contrast to the quiet comfort of the cozy room, yet equally captivating. Transition from the vibrant streets of India, and suddenly you're amidst the tranquil beaches of Bali, a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. The gentle lapping of the waves caresses the sandy shore, a rhythmic lullaby that whispers peace. A breathtaking view unfolds as the setting sun kisses the horizon, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, a canvas of nature's artistry. The calming sound of the sea breeze rustling the palm leaves adds to the symphony of tranquility, a soothing melody that brings a sense of calm. The beaches, with their calming aura, are a testament to the tranquility of Bali, offering a stark contrast to the vibrant streets of India, yet equally captivating in their own serene beauty. Step outside, and the garden transforms under the moonlight, a magical realm waiting to be explored. Glowing flowers bloom like tiny stars fallen to earth. A cobblestone path weaves its way into the mystery, perhaps leading to a hidden bench, a secret retreat under the night sky. Beyond the garden's edge, the whispering forest beckons. Ancient trees reach towards the heavens, their silhouettes etched against the starry backdrop. The soft glow of the moon filters through the leaves, and if one looks closely, the eyes of nocturnal creatures peek from the shadows, curious and watchful. The twilight sky, a canvas of shifting hues, transitions from the fiery colors of sunset to the deep blue of a star-filled night. The moon, a celestial sentinel, casts its radiant glow across the vast expanse, casting a spell of awe and wonder. A path winds its way from the forest, leading back to the house. It crosses a wooden bridge over a babbling brook, a familiar route trodden countless times. The soft light from the house glows in the distance, a beacon guiding the way home. Waiting on the path, a figure stands, filled with hope. The expressive eyes tell a tale. The posture suggests a journey, and the clothing whispers stories of adventures past. The figure's gaze is fixed on the horizon, where the last light of the day meets the incoming night. The horizon holds a promise, a vivid line where day and night dance in a timeless waltz. Perhaps a road leads into the distance, a path to the unknown, a path filled with hope and anticipation. The night landscape teems with life. A fox slinks in the shadows, an owl hoots from its perch, and other creatures of the night go about their nocturnal routines. Each has its own character, its own place in the grand tapestry of the ecosystem surrounding the house. The scent of home, abstract yet palpable, fills the air. The warm aroma of freshly baked bread, the earthy smell of rain-soaked soil, the fragrant bloom of flowers, a symphony of smells that paint a picture of comfort and warmth. Finally, the echo of the heart resonates, an abstract representation of longing and hope. An open door, a light in the window, a heart motif, symbols and metaphors that convey deep emotions, inviting one to reflect, to feel, to dream. And so, the journey through these scenes ends, a kaleidoscope of emotions, a tapestry of experiences, a symphony of sights and smells, a testament to the beauty, mystery and depth of the world that surrounds us. As the echoes of our journey fade, we are brought back to consciousness. The symphony reaches its crescendo. We find ourselves in a world not too different from where we started. The familiar hum of the city, the distant chatter of people, the soft glow of street lamps. It's the world we know, the world we live in. But now, we see it differently. We've traveled through moonlit gardens and whispering forests. We've witnessed the figure of hope and the promise of the horizon. We've tasted the scent of home and listened to the echo of the heart. We've woven our own tapestry of life. And as we stand here in the midst of our daily lives, we realize that every moment is a scene, every day is a journey, and every life is a beautiful, intricate tapestry. The symphony of life plays on, ever-changing, ever-evolving, and we are all its musicians, each playing our own part, each contributing to the grand crescendo. As the symphony's crescendo gently subsides, we find ourselves drawn to a grand mirror. It's not an ordinary mirror, but a magical one that reflects not our physical appearances, but our inner selves, our emotions, our dreams, and our unique journeys. We see ourselves as the moonlit garden's wanderer, the whispering forest's listener, and the twilight sky's dreamer. We see the hope we've held on to, the promises we've made at the horizon, and the home we've yearned for. We see our heart's echoes and the intricate tapestry of life we've woven. We see the music we've contributed to life's grand symphony. As we gaze into the mirror, we see the dance of our lives, the ballet of our experiences, the waltz of our emotions, and the tango of our dreams. It's a dance of reflection, a dance of self-discovery, a dance of life. The dance is our journey, and the mirror is our guide. Let's take a moment to appreciate the dance and with it the beauty of our lives. As the dance slows and the reflection fades, our journey continues. We find ourselves standing at the edge of a serene river, its water as clear as crystal, flowing gently under the soft glow of the moon. This is the river of time, a symbol of life's ongoing journey, of change, of evolution. As we gaze into its depths, we see tiny glimmers of light, each representing a moment in time, a memory. Some are bright, filled with joy and laughter, others are dim, touched by sorrow and regret. But each glimmer, each moment contributes to the river's flow. We watch as new glimmers appear, moments being born, and as others fade away, moments passing into memory. It's a reminder that time is ever flowing, ever changing, just like the river. As we stand at the river's edge, we realize that we are not simply observers of time, but active participants in its flow. We shape our moments, our memories, and thus the course of our lives. We are the river, and the river is us, flowing together in the dance of time. After our encounter with the river of time, we step away from the water's edge and into a vast open field. Here, under the stars, we find ourselves surrounded by a symphony of memories. The field is dotted with ethereal light orbs, each one a memory from our journey. As we move closer to an orb, we hear a soft murmur, a whisper of the past. Each memory, each orb has a different story to tell. Some are tales of joy, filled with laughter and cheer. Others are tales of struggle, imbued with courage and determination. As we wander through this field, we realize that our journey, our life, is not just about the destination, but also about these moments, these memories we've gathered along the way. They are what shape us, what define us, and as we relive these memories, we are reminded of the beauty of our journey, of the strength within us, and of the promise of tomorrow. Despite the passage of time, these memories remain, a testament to our journey, our story. As we stand in this field under the starlit sky, we realize that we are not just a single note in the symphony of life, but a melody, a harmony, a symphony of memories. And as the scene fades, we are left with a sense of fulfillment, a sense of peace, and a renewed sense of purpose. The symphony of memories continues to play, a beautiful reminder of our journey, our story, and the promise of tomorrow. As we leave the symphony of memories, we find ourselves on a winding path leading to a solitary lighthouse in the distance. The lighthouse, standing tall and majestic against the backdrop of the night sky, is a beacon of dreams. We approach it slowly, feeling the cool breeze against our skin, hearing the distant sound of waves crashing against the shore. The lighthouse, glowing softly in the darkness, is a symbol of guidance, of hope, and of dreams yet to be realized. We enter the lighthouse and ascend the spiral staircase, each step echoing our journey so far. Reaching the top, we look out over the vast expanse of the sea, the endless horizon stretching before us. The lighthouse beam cuts through the darkness, illuminating the path ahead. It's a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there's always a guiding light. As we look out into the distance, our dreams seem tangible within reach. We realize that the journey so far has not only been about the past and the present, but also about the future, about the dreams we are yet to fulfill. As the scene draws to a close, we stand there, bathed in the warm glow of the lighthouse, gazing out into the horizon, ready to chase our dreams, ready for the journey ahead. The scene fades out with the sound of the lighthouse bell tolling, a resonating symbol of hope and dreams. As the echo of the lighthouse bell fades, we find ourselves stepping into a small wooden boat, bobbing gently at the shore. The wind whispers through the sails, the stars reflecting off the calm sea, creating a path of shimmering light. This is our vessel for the journey ahead, our conduit to chase the dreams we've seen in the lighthouse of dreams. We push off from the shore, the only sound the soft splash of the oars dipping into the water. The boat glides effortlessly, guided by the lighthouse beam cutting through the night. As we sail further into the sea, the lighthouse grows smaller in the distance, but its light remains a constant guide. The stars above seem to dance in the sky, each one representing a dream, a hope, an aspiration. We reach out as if to touch them, to grasp our dreams. We are alone but not lonely, the sea and the stars are only companions. The journey is not easy, the sea is not always calm, but the promise of our dreams keeps us going. As we navigate through the darkness, we realize that the journey is as important as the destination. The scene concludes with a shot of our tiny boat, a speck in the vast expanse of the sea, sailing towards the horizon under the starlit sky. The sound of the sea gently lapping against the boat lulls us into a sense of calm and anticipation for the journey ahead. As we continue our voyage under the starlit sky, we begin to notice a subtle change. The darkness of the night starts to give way to the soft, warm hues of dawn. The stars above start to fade, their twinkling light replaced by the first rays of the sun. The sea, once a canvas of black, now reflects the myriad colors of the dawn. We realize the journey through the night has not been in vain. The dawn brings with it a sense of accomplishment, a realization that we have weathered the storm, navigated through the darkness, and are now approaching the shores of our dreams. As the sun rises, the lighthouse light that was once our guide becomes indistinct. We realize that the light was not just a beacon guiding us, but a metaphor for our inner strength, our resilience, our determination to chase our dreams. The scene concludes with the boat reaching the shore, bathed in the warm glow of the rising sun. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore, the call of the seagulls, and the rustle of the sails in the wind form a symphony of arrival. We step out of the boat, our feet sinking into the soft sand, our hearts filled with hope and anticipation. The journey has been long, but we are finally home. As we step onto the shore, the sand beneath our feet is warm, the grains fine and sun-kissed. We look back to see our footprints marking the path we've taken from the boat. Each footprint is a testament to our journey, a symbol of our resilience, our determination to reach our dreams. The camera pans to a close-up of the footprints, the detail of each grain of sand visible, the indentations still holding the shape of our steps. Each step we take is a choice, a decision that shapes the journey of our lives. The footprints in the sand may fade with time, washed away by the waves, but the imprint they leave on our souls, the lessons they teach us, remain forever. The scene continues with a montage of us exploring our new home, the place we have been dreaming of throughout our journey. The montage is interspersed with shots of the footprints slowly fading away, symbolizing that while the physical evidence of our journey may disappear, the memories and experiences we've gathered will always remain with us. The scene ends with a shot of the empty beach, the footprints gone, but the journey they represented unforgettable. As we leave the shore, looking at a vast, untouched landscape before us. The sun is rising, casting long shadows and painting the world in hues of pink and gold. This is our canvas, our blank page, where we will start our next journey. Thank you so much for watching the Lifestyle Bliss channel. If you enjoyed this video, found some valuable ideas and want to see more content like this, Please hit that like button and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll know exactly when a new video is posted. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to bring you even more great content. Until next time, stay inspired and exploring towards a more fulfilling and blissful lifestyle. Bless your hearts and see you in the next video. Our eyes are filled with anticipation, a mixture of fear and excitement. The footprints we left behind were the testament of our journey, but the path ahead is unmarked, a canvas waiting for our steps. It's a fresh start, a new day, a chance to paint our own picture of tomorrow. This is us planning our new life, mapping out the land, deciding where to build our home, where to plant our crops. The montage is interspaced with shots of the rising sun, symbolizing the dawn of our new beginning. We stand, hands held together, looking out at the untouched landscape, ready to leave our mark, to create our own footprints in the canvas of tomorrow.